Hey everyone, I hope you're enjoying this beautiful Thursday. I'm out here at the river on another gorgeous day. I don't really have any videos to show you as far as carpet cleaning on this video because I did 2 jobs today that were just maintenance, and I think you would have been pretty bored. But the reason I'm making this video is because if you have carpets that need to be cleaned or upholstery, and if you have any stains that any carpet cleaners that you've had in the past have not been able to get out, I promise you, if you call FRESHstart Carpet and Upholstery Cleaning and schedule today, I will get out any stain that you have. I will guarantee none of my stains will come back. I've been doing this a long time, and it's not because I'm great, it's because the science that I use is fantastic. It's made by educated guys that create the best science, that leave no soapy residue, so everything I do is according to the carpet manufacturer specifications. I do work for the carpet manufacturers, I work for carpet stores, I do everything according to your carpet warranty so that you can make sure that you keep it intact. I hot water extract, there's no soap residue ever left behind when I'm done. And all my videos that you're watching, if you watch any of them, I just show you the before and after and a few things I'm doing, but you don't see all the steps I take. Every job is pre-vacuumed, everything is taken care of meticulously, because it's not just when you're working for somebody that you just do the job, you want to do it with excellence. So I recommend anyone out there that is looking for a carpet cleaner, I would definitely recommend FRESHstart Carpet and Upholstery Cleaning. I'm the owner, I've been doing this a long time, and I hope you have an incredible evening and a wonderful Friday. And remember, when it comes to carpet and upholstery cleaning, fresh start.